Every day in India, millions of cardboard boxes are unpacked, crushed, and thrown away. From Amazon and Flipkart deliveries to FMCG cartons, warehouse packaging, and retail boxes, cardboard waste is everywhere. But here's the smart question entrepreneurs should ask. Is this waste, or is this money waiting to be collected? The truth is, cardboard is one of the most valuable and recyclable waste materials in India. Paper mills depend on it. Packaging companies can't function without it, and the e-commerce boom is pushing demand to new highs every year. In fact, cardboard recycling isn't just good for the environment. It's a high-volume, steady cash business with repeat buyers, predictable demand, and scalable operations. What makes this business even more attractive is its predictability. Demand doesn't fluctuate wildly, buyers are repeat customers, and once contracts are in place, the cash flow becomes steady and scalable. If you're looking for a business that converts everyday waste into consistent profit while supporting India's circular economy, this opportunity deserves your attention. Let's get started. Here's exactly what we'll cover today. Who your target customers are, market research and analysis with market size and growth trends, marketing and sales strategy to secure long-term contracts, financial planning including setup cost and profit margins, funding and investment options, company incorporation and legal requirements, supporting documents you'll need, and finally, how Market Research Universe can help you build and scale this business. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRUnavigator for Business Planning. MRUnavigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The cardboard recycling business in India appeals to e-commerce companies generating massive packaging waste, FMCG, retail, and pharma brands using corrugated boxes, paper mills, and packaging manufacturers needing recycled fiber, logistics companies and warehouses, municipal corporations and waste contractors, export-oriented packaging suppliers, entrepreneurs looking for stable, asset-backed businesses, and ESG and impact investors focused on circular economy models. As India's packaging demand grows, this customer base is expanding every single year. Market research and analysis. Let's talk numbers, because this market is bigger than most people realize. In 2025, the India cardboard recycling market is valued at approximately USD 7.8 billion and is expected to reach around USD 13.6 billion by 2032, growing at a CAGR of about 8.2% during the forecast period. This is already a huge market, and it's accelerating fast, powered by e-commerce expansion, plastic replacement, and ESG regulations. Key growth drivers include the explosion of e-commerce, Q-commerce, and logistics, the shift from plastic to paper-based packaging, rising cost of virgin paper pulp imports, government push for waste segregation and recycling, and corporate sustainability and ESG mandates. Major players like ITC Paperboards, JK Paper, TNPL, and regional recyclers dominate the market, but demand is far higher than current supply. Marketing and sales strategy. In cardboard recycling, contracts and consistency matter more than flashy branding. So, here's the thing. When it comes to branding strategy, you want to position yourself as a reliable circular economy partner. Make sure you highlight compliance with pollution control norms, and don't forget to emphasize cost savings versus virgin paper sourcing. It's also important to showcase waste diversion and your ESG impact. Now, let's talk about sales channels. You should look at direct supply contracts with paper mills, tie-ups with e-commerce warehouses and logistics hubs, and of course, long-term agreements with FMCG and retail chains. Municipal waste collection tenders can be a great opportunity, and if you're operating at scale, consider export of recycled craft paper. For promotional tactics, focus on B2B sales outreach to procurement heads, participate in packaging and sustainability expos, and send out ESG-focused proposals for corporates. Oh, and partnerships with scrap aggregators and waste collectors can really help too. In this business, reliability beats marketing hype, every time. Financial planning and profit margins. Now let's talk money. A mid-scale cardboard recycling unit in India typically requires between 3 to 6 crores of investment. Here's a quick setup cost breakdown. Land and shed setup will run you about 80 lakhs to 1.5 crores. Machinery, like balers, shredders, and pulpers, can cost between 1.5 to 3 crores. Pollution control and utilities are about 40 to 70 lakhs. Licensing and compliance will be 15 to 25 lakhs. And working capital and logistics might be 50 to 80 lakhs. As for profit margins, you can expect gross margins in the range of 18 to 28%, and net margins around 10 to 18%. Break-even usually happens in about 2.5 to 4 years. With long-term sourcing and off-take contracts, this becomes a highly stable and scalable business. Funding and investment options. Funding is relatively accessible because recycling is considered a green industry. Bootstrapping is suitable for collection, aggregation, and baling models. Government and institutional support includes MSME loans under CGT-MSE, SIDBI green financing schemes, Swak Bharat-linked waste management contracts, and priority sector lending for recycling units. When it comes to external funding, you can look at impact investors and ESG funds, strategic partnerships with paper mills, and private equity for large-scale recycling plans. Investors really love this space because demand is predictable and recurring. Company incorporation and legal setup. To operate smoothly, legal compliance is, well, absolutely critical. The best structure is usually a private limited company, but smaller operations can start as LLPs. Mandatory registrations include GST registration, Udyam MSME registration, Pollution Control Board consent, both CTE and CTO, Solid Waste Management Authorization, Factory License and Trade License, Import-Export Code if you're exporting paper products, and trademark registration for branding. Supported documents required. You'll need identity and address proof of promoters, MOA and AOA or LLP agreement, land lease or ownership documents, machinery invoices and layout plan, pollution control approvals, financial projections and business plan, and waste sourcing and sales agreements. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a cardboard recycling business really requires the right data, planning, and compliance support. That's where Market Research Universe, or MRU, steps in. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now, time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mirdul and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh Program in Market Research and Business Consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRUnavigator. Now this is an India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that, or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.